How to get a $140 Shein working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in Shein coupon code, and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is a legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Shein. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, 35% off, 90% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, browse through the items, select the items that you want to purchase, and process to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in a code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. You just have to scroll down and check out the offers. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Shein. So this way you can easily get up to $140 working coupon code for Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.